Okay, so Big Game Leroy here to say that you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel Matt Palani Era. Subscribe right now. Great content, great person, great vibes always. Let's play.
Boom! What is up, guys? It's Matt Palani Era here, and happy Friday. That is right. And today we are going to be unboxing this WWE Basic Series 129 Roman Reigns figure. That is right. So here we go with the unboxing. But before we get the unboxing, I'm going to show you what the back looks like. So here we go. Pretty cool. In the rest of the set, we have Dominic Mysterio, The Miz, Carmella, and first time in the line, Noam Dar. So pretty cool. So here we go with the unboxing of Series 129 of Roman Reigns. Go. This is all done now, guys. Pretty cool. Now all we just have to do is take Roman Reigns out. Pretty cool. So guys, hope y'all enjoy me unboxing this WWE Series 129 Roman Reigns figure. Hope y'all enjoyed it. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you, happy Friday, and enjoy your Friday too, guys.